Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Very excited to be finally bringing you this video. Today we are unboxing my silver play button plaque that I received from YouTube for hitting the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. So first and foremost, this video is a huge thank you to all of you who are my subscribers and have been. I am so excited. My goal when I first started was to hit that first 1,000 subscribers. Felt like it took a long time. But then as time went on and I was getting closer and closer through COVID and all of that, I thought, you know what would be really cool would be to hit 100,000 subscribers before my 5-year anniversary, and we did it. I think my first video on YouTube was uploaded around February 1st, 2019, and on December 3rd, 2023, I hit 100,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. Now, I'm going to show you the unboxing. I've opened the box, but I haven't actually taken the plaque out of the box yet. So I'm excited to share that with you, but I want you to stay tuned because I want to give you the details for a giveaway I am doing in conjunction with some companies that have sent me products to review on my channel over the past 5 years. We are going to be doing a giveaway, but it's a short window to get in on the giveaway. So stay tuned for the details about that. Okay, so here we have the box as it came from YouTube. Opening it up, there's a nice little card from, I believe, the person who made the award. A nice layer of foam on top, a lovely letter from YouTube that I'm sure I will keep. And there it is, the silver play button plaque. I was able to go online and fill out the form how I wanted my channel name on there. So glad that it was spelled correctly, and it says for surpassing 100,000 subscribers, and it is really cool. I'm so excited. So exciting. And there it is right there. I have to find a more permanent place for it, probably over here on the side, as these shelves are pretty much full of a lot of different stuff. So the giveaway today, when I'm posting this, is probably towards the end of December 2023, very beginning of 2024. I am going to keep the giveaway open through the first 2 weeks of January. So on Monday, January 15th, 2024, I'm going to randomly choose comments from this video to receive some giveaway gifts. Now, listen to what I'm giving away and what some of these companies are giving away, because to enter the giveaway, 1, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and 2, you need to comment the prize you're most wanting to receive, okay? Because there's going to be a variety. So in no particular order, Gravy, they do craft boxes. They are graciously donating 3 of this holiday crafting box. It's full of stamping and scrapbooking. I will try to do an unboxing of this video and link it in the description here of this holiday box, but it's got so many fun things to work with: scrapbook paper, stamps, 2 ink pads, a clear stamp block, lots of fun things. So Gravy box, if this is what you most would like to win, they're giving away 3 of this holiday box. From One Day Saving, I have 5 diamond art kits. These are probably beginner level. They're all of a flower type theme. These will be shipping to you from me. So if you are interested in diamond art, I do have a video where I did a product review of these. I will link that in the description here as well. Okay, from Vevor, Vevor. They are the company that sent me our Christmas tree this year, which I love. They are donating for my 100,000 subscriber giveaway a button maker, okay? The old-fashioned kind where you can make all sorts of pins, different sizes. I don't have it because they're going to ship it directly to you. So if that is something you are interested in winning, that is what you will put in your comment, okay? Next, FabFitFun subscription boxes. I do have an unboxing of this particular box, and I am giving away some of the items from this box. So there is this little handbag. So if you want the black purse, I have one of these to give away. There is an eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. If you're interested in the eyeshadow palette, what else do we have here? We have some perfume. If you just want to put beauty supplies, there's nail polish in here. There is eye recovery cream, a perfume. I think that's everything. And an anti-dryness hand cream. So if you're interested in beauty products or the black purse, you can put that in your comment as well. Lastly, from myself, from Magnolia Design Company, if you are interested in stenciling supplies, maybe a little project so you could try it out for yourself, you can put Magnolia stencils. And I've also done quite a bit of paper crafting on here. If you are interested, I will be giving away a completed cardstock scrapbook or album that you can put photos in. So those are the items as of right now I know about that are going to be in the giveaway. So again, to be entered in the giveaway, you're commenting on this video by the end of January 14th, 2024. The item that you most would be interested in receiving, just as a thank you for being a subscriber here on my channel. And make sure you are a subscriber on my channel. Well, thank you guys so much. Here is looking forward to the next 5 years and where that will bring my channel. It's already evolved so much since I started out, and I just can't thank you guys enough for all of your support. Take care.